Hey Angie, I spoke with Vanessa yesterday and I want to shoot over a quick video showing some tips and tricks that you can do yourself to help bring in more business using your website and Google Business Profile. I would appreciate to hear feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies help and are educational for you. Here's your site, and I do like the fact that you have two call to acts right up here at the top. One of my biggest suggestions for you would be to increase your content. Google loves content, and they want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you are located, what services you offer, things like that. And another good thing to do is save photos and videos, like right here, your logo. If you save this image as, it comes out as download. So that could be saved as a keyword, and that is considered content as well. I put your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me the analytics and where you're sitting. So this is the UR and DR, and that is the strength and trust your site has with Google. This is only on a scale of 100, so you want to keep those balanced as much as possible and moving up continuously. You're sitting at 24 and 8, which is pretty decent, but you do want to get your trust up right now. You do have 397 backlinks with 54 referring domains as well. And a backlink is a website linking to another website via a clickable button or text. And not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are kind of spammy, and then there's some that are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and relevant to your industry and local to you. As of right now, you have 226 keywords that you are indexing for, and you're getting about 292 traffic to your website each and every month. And if you look at some of the keywords that you are indexing for, Eric Plumbing, you're getting quite a bit of volume. But Eric Plumbing isn't necessarily a buyer intent word. Usually location and the service, right here, Utah County Plumber, Utah County Plumbing, those are buyer intent keywords. And so you do want to have a lot more of those, which you are ranking number 1 for both of those, so that's awesome. But looking down here at Plumbing Provo, you're ranking number 10 with that much volume, so you're not getting as much traffic to your website with that keyword. So for example, if we look at Plumbing Provo, you get your Google guarantees, and then you have your Google ads right here. And these are great ways to get business quickly. And then you have your map pack right here. You do really want to be in the top 3. You're not here right now, which is fine, but there are several ways to get there. So you want to make sure you are constantly adding reviews. You want to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are consistent all across the internet. So you definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character about us section at the bottom that you want to fill out. And don't forget to add keywords in that as well. By posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly, this also really does help. And adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp, because Google is like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you, and that will boost your business, not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack will give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call just from right here. And then we go into your organics, and your top competitor, is Provo Plumbing right here. And if we go to their website, you can see that they service quite a bit of different areas. I mean, they have, Lehigh, Salt Lake, and other ones. And if you service a bunch of areas as well, adding location pages with those locational keywords in that content to your website would be really helpful. And if you look here, they do have quite a bit of content. So if you implement having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them, and while making sure to add those backlinks and such too. And so looking at a few different keywords, you can see that all these keywords right here, looking at Provo Plumber, you have 350 volume, and then Plumber Provo, you have 350 volume. So there is a decent amount of volume here, and once you start ranking, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your site. And a percentage of that is going to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, turn into a customer. So I definitely hope this video was helpful. I again would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Have a great day.